Hello, good day everyone. My name is Jolina Benko from NTM 11. Our topic is exponential. Objectives: A. Solve exponential function. B. Solve exponential equation. And C. Solve exponential inequality. Exponential function. What is exponential function? It's a function involving exponential expression that show relationship between the independent variable x and dependent variable y, or f of x or g of x. A function of the form f of x equal b raised to x, where b less than 0 or b equal 1. Example: f of negative 2 equal 3 raised to negative 2. F of negative 2 equal 1 over 3 raised to 2. Galing yung raised to 2 sa negative 2, kaya magiging positive siya. Then, f of negative 2 equal 1 over 9. That's the answer. Next example, f of 0 equal 3 raised to 0. Once na ang 3 raised to 0, pag naging 0 siya, magiging 1 ang sagot. F of 0 equal 1. Last example, f of 2 equal 3 raised to 2. 3 times 3 is equal 9. So the answer is f of 2 equals 9.
My name is Rapsan Bidato, and today I will explain exponential equation. Exponential equation is an equation involving exponential expression, an equation in which one or both sides contain a variable exponent. These are the three examples of exponential equation. Example number 1, 5 raised to x equal to 125. Ngayon, ang hanapin natin ay ang x dahil multiply natin ang 5 sa sarili niya ng 3 beses at ang nakuha natin ay 125 pa din. Ang sagot niya ay x equal to 3. Bali, ang kabuuan ay 5 raised to 3 equal to 125. Number 2, 3 raised to x equal to 81. Hanapin ulit yung x dahil multiply ang 3 sa sarili niya ng 4 na beses at ang sagot niya ay 81 pa din. Ang sagot sa x ay 4. Ang kabuuan ay 3 raised to 4 equal to 81. Number 3, 4 raised to 2x equal to 16. Hanapin natin dito ang value ng x. Ngayon, i-write natin ang both side ng equation na ayun pa din ang base. Since ang 16 pwedeng mapalitan ng 4 raised to 2, kaya ang equation ay magiging ganon. Dahil pareho na ang base, set natin ang exponential equation to each other. Bali, magiging x equal to 2 divided by 2 na siya. Now, divide na natin at ang value ni x is 1.
Exponential inequality is an inequality involving which one or both sides contain a variable exponent. Example number 1, 5 raised to x less than 25. So, yung 5, i-multiply natin siya sa set niya, which is 5 times 5. So, makukuha natin sa x is equal to 2. Ang sagot is 5 to the power of 2 less than 25. Number 2 naman is 7 raised to x greater than 7. So, multiply natin sa is 7 multiply by 1. Can't be multiple kasi itself kasi 7 lang ang sagot. So, yung x natin is x equal to 1. Tapos, yung sagot is 7 to the power of 1 greater than 7. Yung 3 naman is 4 raised to x greater than 64. Yung 4, i-multiply natin sa sarili niya, which is 4 times 4 times 4. Yung x na makuha natin is x equal to 3. Tapos, yung sagot is 4 to the power of 3 greater than 64.